Mom, Dad, you'll come to my soccer final today, right?
Of course, sweetheart.
Of course, sweetheart. Good luck, champion. We'll see you there. Goal! Leon wins the championship!
Yeah! We did it!
Congratulations, Liam!
Mom, Dad, where are you? Maybe they forgot about today. I guess winning doesn't matter that much.
Special delivery for Liam.
A surprise? For me? Surprise! Wow! I can't believe this!
We watched every second live.
We're proud of you, always.
I thought you forgot me.
Never, sweetheart. You're our greatest champion.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
A parent's love is always with you, even when you can't see it.
Thanks for watching.